we are looking at what is the meaning of this acronym. What does XXL mean? What does it stand for? XXL, or double XL as you can say. It sometimes refers to the name of this music band called Shushu Larsen. XXL Shushu Larsen. It also refers to this beautiful phrase, extraordinary expression of life. Extraordinary expression of life. Most often it designates a clothing size, a size of clothes, as extra, extra large. Every X designates an extra, extra, extra large. And now you know. More videos here on how to pronounce more words that are confusing for many and what they mean. I'll see you there to learn more. Do you know those words? You will after watching this. Thanks for watching.